What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Dej.
It's your boy Mike.
And we back with another mukbang.
So, man, we're going to play a little game today, man. Oh, matter of fact, we got Roundtable. You know.
We already ate half of it already, though. Y'all can see.
I was too hungry. We're going to play a game called what's that game called?
Would you rather?
Would you rather? Okay, yeah. You go first, I'll go first.
You go first.
Would you rather get bit by a snake or a black widow?
Oh, that's a tough one. Because I know if you get bit by a black widow, you could die. And then a snake, you could die.
Can you?
I'll probably say a snake.
Okay. That's it?
I'd probably say a snake because I heard when you get bit by a black widow, you really die.
You really die?
Mm-hmm.
Look at you guys, you really die.
I mean, you could die.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
All right. Would you rather... Let me see. Would you rather drive a Benz or a Maserati?
I need a Maserati.
A Maserati?
So I can pass, you feel me? So I can go crazy. So I can turn heads. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Turn heads, you feel me?
Who are you trying to turn?
You need a ride? No. Zoom. Mm-hmm. Oh, cool. Let me give you a hard one. Would you rather do Oprah or RuPaul?
I ain't gay, so RuPaul. What the heck? RuPaul.
So you gonna do a dude?
You asked a question.
So you gonna tell me that in front of me?
You asked me a question.
Okay. Okay.
All right, we going there. Okay. Would you rather date Beyonce or Kim Kardashian?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
I'm in Beyonce guts. For sure.
Okay.
I can't get Kim. No. Never. My turn?
Mm-hmm.
Would you rather me or Chris Brown?
Chris Brown.
You said Chris Brown? You trying to quell you. No, she ain't kidding. You ain't funny at all. No. I'm laughing.
You just said what you said about Beyonce.
Hmm?
I didn't ask you all that. I just said Beyonce or you. I mean Beyonce guts. What?
I said I choose Beyonce over her.
No, you didn't. You was talking about I'm in Beyonce guts.
I said I choose Beyonce over her.
We know.
Like I was saying. Okay. Yep. Would you rather slap your mom or your grandma?
I'm slapping my grandmother.
Or you slap your grandma?
But why would I slap my mom?
Hmm?
Why would I slap my mom?
Why you slap your grandma? That's crazy.
Why would you ask that
She
question?
old. She old.
So, she don't slap.
Mm-hmm.
So, you back up.
Okay. Okay. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. All right, let me see. Would you rather... Let me think.
She don't know.
I don't.
She got like 10 seconds. I'm going. I'm firing off on what's this. I already got like 15 questions. Am I ever ask you? That's cool.
All right.
Dun, dun, dun,
Sorry,
dun,
y'all.
dun, 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 dun.
Would you
Where you
rather
at,
move?
Grandma?
Okay. Would you rather move to Italy or would you rather move to Canada?
Canada. My boy Drizzy. Drizzy. What's the song? Tell me what's really going on. Canada, what you mean? What you mean? Mm-hmm.
That's why, because of Drake?
And because of that, he did. All right.
No.
I got it right here for you.
All right.
Would you rather eat a bug off the ground or eat a moth?
What kind of bug? What kind of bug?
It's a bug. What do you mean? I mean, they're both bugs, but like, all right, I got you.
Yeah.
Would you eat a daddy long leg or a moth?
What does moth look like? Oh, them big things? Oh, no, I'd rather eat a daddy long leg.
A daddy long leg?
He asking some stupid stuff.
What's up? Eat the moth.
Why would I eat the moth?
Eat the moth.
Why would I eat the moth?
Go big.
Ew, no. I don't want to eat no
Damn.
moth.
Go big, man.
No. All right. My turn. All right. Would you rather... Would you rather drown or burn?
Me?
Yep.
First of all, I can swim. So how I'm going to drown? And
You can swim in the ocean?
yeah, we talking about?
No, you can't.
Bet.
In the middle of the ocean, you can swim.
Bet. I float.
You can't float. You'll get out of breath.
Mm-hmm.
No, you get too tired. And the sharks will eat you.
But to answer your question, fire, I can't get burnt by fire. No.
And burn to death?
I can't.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
I just can't. I'm special.
All right, your turn.
Ooh.
Y'all ate like 2 slices and I'm like, I'm done.
Would you rather beat your dad up or me up? You better not beat me up because you're going to lose.
I'm beating the heck out of you.
Will?
Yep.
Oh, you lost, did?
Yep, I lost.
You lost.
Yep,
okay,
I sure did.
Okay, go ahead.
All right, let's see. I don't know what to ask.
True? I'm firing off then. I got you.
Go ahead, you ask me.
Would you rather eat a dog or a pig ass?
What?
Hmm?
What?
Answer the question.
Would I rather what?
Eat a dog or a pig ass. You feel me? Pig butt.
I don't eat ass, so I'll probably go with the dog.
Dog? Dog butt for sure.
No.
Dog butt, that's what she said. Yep. Would you rather...
Hold on, I got one. Okay, you got 24 hours, right? Okay, I gotta think. Hold on. 24 hours, right? And you gotta...
Why'd you take so long?
I don't know what to say.
For real? I'm firing off. All right. Would you rather do the moonwalk or the worm?
The worm.
Do it right now then.
Nope, I'm not doing that.
Show the viewers right now.
No, I can't do that. I can't do either.
Dang. You full? You full, bro?
Yeah, I ate 3 slices.
How's she full? That's crazy. We're not done yet.
Okay, he can eat all the pizza. I only eat about 3 or
All
4
right.
and I'm done.
I got like one more. All right, then before we go, one more. Would you rather have Filas or Payless? Nope, or Fubu?
Feelers. What the heck? That's
Jabos or High Waters?
I don't even know what those are.
Jabos?
Yeah.
Thongs or Speedos?
Thongs.
Okay. She got those.
Boxers or girl panties?
Got those. Me?
Yeah.
Boxers.
What's them one boxers called that guys be wearing?
Briefs?
Yeah, them. You like those?
I'm hard, But yeah, guys, man, that's it for today.
Yeah, guys, now we finishing up. We got like 4 more pieces left. Michael ate all the pizza. 2 more breadsticks. But don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share, and don't forget about the special prize that we have if you get us to 500 subscribers.
So it's your boy Mike.
And it's your girl Dej.
We out here.